Do you want to know how you can log into your Childcare Choices account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Childcare Choices account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to your Google and in the Google search bar search for Childcare Choices Login. Click on the second link which appears on your screen. Go ahead and click allow cookies, scroll a bit down and you can see your email address and your local authority. Go ahead and write down your email address and your local authority. This way, click subscribe and updates and you can log into your Childcare Choices account. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go to Google search bar and search for Childcare Choices login. Click on the second link which appears, scroll a bit down, write down your email address, your local authority and click subscribe for updates. This way you can log into your Childcare Choices account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.